Hi, it's Representative Rick Larsen, and I'm here in Everett, Washington at the Community Health Center of Snohomish County office for this week's recap with Rick. I just finished a roundtable with folks who provide healthcare services and other kinds of services that are funded through Medicaid to hear from them directly about what the proposed Medicaid cuts, the Republican-proposed Medicaid cuts, will mean to patients and other folks around the region. More than 130,000 constituents in my district are currently depend on Medicaid to access health care, and that includes 55,000 kids and about 13,000 seniors on Medicaid, relying on Medicaid to access health care services. A couple of things I heard is the importance of Medicaid in supporting moms and newborn babies. The importance of Medicaid in supporting people with developmental disabilities who are in the workforce, and the people that help them stay in the workforce so they can be productive members of our economy. So Medicaid is more than just healthcare. It's about supporting our community members so they can participate in being in our community. So why is the administration and the Republicans so focused on cutting Medicaid? It is not to cut spending. Don't let anyone tell you it's to cut spending. What the Republicans are trying to do is to scrape the budget for any dollar that they can use to help offset the cost of their $4.5 trillion tax cut that they're going to give to the richest Americans and the wealthiest corporations, taking from middle-class Americans and giving it to the richest people. That's why this is a Republican ripoff. Late last week, I did a telephone town hall. We had over 13,000 people on the call at one time, and I answered about 18 questions from folks. And I heard fear, I heard concern, I also heard some hope. People want to take action against these potential cuts. Overwhelmingly, I did hear one thing though: my constituents are against the Republican ripoff. I also had a chance to get around to see some hope in the district, visit with the Lummi Nation at the groundbreaking of the new detox center, with the Snohomish, Nooksack, and Lummi tribes at the Dequah Leach Wellness Center in Whatcom County in Bellingham. And I visited a new exhibit at the Whatcom Museum, partnership between the Whatcom Museum and the National Gallery of Art. So the Whatcom Museum is exhibiting 3 pieces from the National Gallery of Art, and that just opened last week, so you can go by the Whatcom Museum. Next week we'll be back in Washington, D.C., but that's this week's recap with Rick, and help me continue to fight against the Republican ripoff. Thanks.